You ever feel like cutting out carbs and sugar means you have to sacrifice flavor and fun? Well, I'm here to tell you that's just not true. You can actually enjoy some seriously delicious foods while steering clear of those carbs and sugars. Stick around, because I'm about to share some amazing no-carb, no-sugar foods that you can eat freely. Trust me, you won't want to miss the last one on this list. It's a game changer. Finding no-carb, no-sugar foods is super important, especially if you're looking to manage your weight or just eat healthier. I mean, who doesn't want to snack or enjoy meals without worrying about those pesky carbs and sugars, right? These foods can help you feel fuller for longer, maintain steady energy levels, and keep those cravings at bay. Plus, you'll be surprised at how delicious and versatile these options can be. So whether you're on a keto diet, trying to cut back on sugar, or just want to explore some healthier alternatives, stick around. I've got some fantastic suggestions coming your way. First up, let's talk about zucchini noodles. These little guys are an absolute lifesaver for anyone craving pasta but wanting to skip the carbs. You can spiralize a zucchini in seconds and turn it into a delicious base for your favorite sauces. Whether you're into marinara, pesto, or even a creamy Alfredo, zucchini noodles soak up flavors beautifully. Plus, they're super low in calories and packed with vitamins. You can toss them into stir-fries, salads, or even bake them into casseroles. Trust me, you'll forget you're eating veggies instead of pasta. Next up, let's talk about cauliflower. This versatile veggie is a no-carb superstar. You can use it to make cauliflower rice, which is such a nutritious substitute for regular rice. All you have to do is pulse cauliflower florets in a food processor until they resemble rice grains, and voila. You've got a low-carb alternative that's not only great for stir-fries but also for sushi, burrito bowls, or even just as a simple side. Cauliflower is loaded with antioxidants and vitamins, making it a great choice for boosting your immune system. Plus, you can even mash it to create a creamy side dish that resembles mashed potatoes. You can even roast it with some spices. It's all about getting creative with this amazing veggie. Now, let's get into shirataki noodles. These are made from konjac yamand, are basically the ultimate no-carb noodle option. They have a unique texture and are incredibly low in calories, which makes them perfect if you're watching your intake. You can find them in various shapes like fettuccine or rice, and they're super easy to prepare. Just rinse and toss them into your favorite dishes. They absorb flavors really well, so you can add them to soups, stir-fries, or even salads. Trust me, once you try them, you'll wonder why you didn't start using them sooner. Let's not forget about leafy greens like spinach and kale. These are the superheroes of the no-carb, no-sugar world. They're low in calories but packed with nutrients. Think vitamins A, C, K, and tons of antioxidants. Whether you toss them into smoothies, salads, or sauté them as a side, you'll be loading up on goodness. Plus, they're super versatile. You can use them as wraps instead of bread or even blend them into soups. Incorporating more greens into your diet is a no-brainer if you're looking to stay healthy. Now let's talk about nut flours, particularly almond and coconut flour. These are fantastic substitutes for traditional flours in baking and cooking. If you're looking to whip up some low-carb pancakes, bread, or cookies, these nut flours will do the trick. They provide healthy fats and protein, making them a much better choice than regular flour. Plus, they add a lovely nutty flavor to your dishes. Mix them into your favorite recipes, or use them to make breading for meats. The possibilities are endless. Next, we have plant-based proteins like tofu and tempeh. These are fantastic options if you're looking for something filling and nutritious. Both are super versatile and can be incorporated into a wide range of dishes. You can grill, stir-fry, or even crumble them into salads. Plus, they're low in carbs and sugars, making them ideal for a no-carb, no-sugar diet. Not to mention they're packed with protein, which is great for muscle maintenance and satiety. So if you haven't tried them yet, now's the time. Let's not forget to mention avocados. Oh my goodness, these creamy fruits are not only delicious but are also full of healthy fats. Avocados are super low in carbs and sugar, making them a perfect fit for your diet. You can enjoy them sliced on salads, blended into smoothies for a creamy texture, or even smashed on some low-carb bread for a killer breakfast. They're packed with fiber, which helps keep you feeling full longer, and they're great for your heart health. Honestly, if you're not adding avocados to your meals, you're totally missing out. Next item on my list is the mighty egg. Eggs are a fantastic no-carb, no-sugar food that you can enjoy in so many ways. Whether you like them scrambled, boiled, or poached, eggs are a powerhouse of protein and nutrients. They're super filling, which makes them a great breakfast option to start your day off right. You can even whip up a delicious omelet loaded with veggies for a hearty meal. Plus, they're quick and easy to prepare. Seriously, keep a stash of eggs in your fridge, and you'll always have a healthy meal option on hand. Next on my list is Greek yogurt, a personal favorite of mine. Now, before you roll your eyes, hear me out. While most yogurts are loaded with sugars, plain Greek yogurt is a fantastic no-carb option. It's incredibly high in protein and can be used in both savory and sweet dishes. You can add some berries for a low-carb dessert or even use it as a base for salad dressings. Trust me, once you start incorporating Greek yogurt into your meals, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Next on my list is cheese. Yes, cheese is not only low in carbs, but also a delicious way to add flavor to your meals. Think sharp cheddar, creamy brie, or tangy goat cheese. You can enjoy it on its own, melt it on top of veggies, or even whip up some cheesy cauliflower mash. Trust me, you won't miss the carbs with this one. Next on my list is nuts, particularly almonds. Nuts are amazing snacks packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're a great no-carb option that you can munch on anytime. Just a small handful can keep those hunger pangs at bay and give you a boost of energy. Almonds are especially beneficial for heart health and can be added to salads, smoothies, or even eaten plain for a quick snack. Just remember to keep an eye on the portion sizes since they are calorie-dense. But trust me, once you start snacking on almonds, you'll be hooked. And if you're craving something sweet, let's talk about sugar-free gelatin. It's a fun, guilt-free dessert that you can customize with your favorite flavors. Trust me, it's a great way to satisfy that sweet tooth without the carbs. So get excited because there's a whole world of food options waiting for you to discover. Next up, let's talk about berries. Specifically, raspberries and blackberries. These fruits are not only delicious, but also low in carbs, making them perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth without the sugar overload. You can toss them into your morning yogurt, add them to smoothies, or just eat them as a snack. They're packed with antioxidants and fiber, so they're not just tasty but super healthy too. Just remember, moderation is key, but you can definitely enjoy a handful guilt-free. And here's a fun one: seaweed snacks. These little guys are packed with flavor and nutrients, plus they're super low in calories. Just pop them in your mouth for a crunchy treat that won't spike your sugar levels. Finally, let's not forget to mention jerky. Whether it's beef, turkey, or even salmon, jerky is a high-protein snack that's super convenient for on-the-go munching. It's chewy, flavorful, and comes in all sorts of delicious flavors. Just make sure to check the label for any hidden sugars. So there you have it. A roundup of some incredible no-carb, no-sugar foods that can help you on your journey to a healthier diet. From zucchini noodles to berries, there are so many tasty options to explore. These foods not only taste great, but can also help you feel satisfied without the carbs and sugars that often lead to cravings. I hope you're feeling inspired to try some of these out. Now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite no-carb, no-sugar foods? Drop them in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my other videos for more health tips and yummy recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.